Welcome, today I am with E63 AMG and I will show you how to set up ambient lights. So at the first, from the touch panel we have to select comfort option, next go for the ambient lighting and go for the color. So as you can see right here we got multicolor and also the multicolor animation. Let's turn off the second option and only stay with the multicolor. And as you can see we got the few default colors. So we got ocean blue, take a look on the LED, as you can see it change. I'm going to set purple sky, red moon and maybe the fire red. So as you can see it's very simple to change. We can also activate or deactivate effects like welcome, climate and track pace, for example. When you go back, you can also change brightness level of these lights. So currently it's set up like that. On the middle, well, let's pick the highest level. I'm going for 100% and take a look on the lights. As you can see, that's how we can increase brightness level, and also we can enable the brightness zones. So we can pick only the rear for the rear and the display for the 40%, and front we can stay for 100. So as you can see, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.